everyone. Water, the essence of life, is a vital resource for our existence. It sustains us, hydrates us, and keeps our bodies functioning optimally. However, contaminated water can turn into a silent killer, carrying a host of dangerous diseases known as waterborne diseases.
As a part of Swachhata Pakhwada 2024, we are here to give an awareness session on waterborne illnesses, their causes and symptoms, and most importantly, exploring effective prevention methods to safeguard public health. Before we dive into the topic, we shall take a glance into some key facts about waterborne diseases.
More than 3.4 million people die each year from water, sanitation and hygiene related causes. Nearly all deaths, 99%, occur in the developing world.
According to WHO, diarrhea alone claims the lives of 1.8 million people every year. About 12 million people get infected by typhoid every year.
Approximately 1 in 9 people lack access to an improved water source. More than people have a mobile phone than a toilet. What are the waterborne diseases?
Waterborne diseases are illnesses caused by consuming contaminated water or exposure to infected water. These diseases can be caused by various pathogens including bacteria, viruses, parasites and protozoa.
Some examples for waterborne diseases are diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, gastroenteritis, hepatitis A.
Let us look on water-induced diseases or water vector diseases. Water-induced diseases are caused by insects, especially flies and mosquitoes that breed in contaminated water sources.
Some examples are malaria, dengue fever, chikungunya, Japanese encephalitis, yellow fever.
Now let us move on to some common signs and symptoms of water-related diseases. It includes fever, abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting and muscular cramps.
Other symptoms include skin irritation, itchiness of eyes and ear-related infections. Moving on to the preventive measures. First one, access to safe drinking water. Ensure access to clean, treated water for drinking, cooking and personal hygiene. Use water treatment methods like boiling, filtration or disinfection to remove pathogens.
Second, proper sanitation. Proper sanitation facilities including toilets and sewage systems are essential in preventing the contamination of water sources. Proper waste management using sanitary facilities and also encourage community efforts to maintain clean environment to reduce the risk of waterborne infections.
Third, good personal hygiene. Wash hands with soap and water before eating, after using toilet and after handling animals or wastes. Avoid swimming or bathing in lakes, rivers or ponds that may be contaminated with sewage or industrial waste.
Fourth one, get vaccinated. Vaccines can provide protection against diseases like cholera, typhoid and hepatitis. Check with your healthcare provider about recommended vaccinations before traveling to areas known for waterborne disease risks.
Create public awareness. Educate yourself and your community about the importance of adapting preventive measures to prevent these kinds of infections. In case of water-induced or water vector diseases, vector control is the ultimate solution. Use of mosquito repellents or mosquito nets is required. Water stagnation needs to be avoided to prevent breeding of mosquitoes.
By following these steps and knowing where to seek medical care if needed, you can significantly reduce the risk of waterborne diseases and protect your family's health. Stay informed,
Stay safe,
thank you,
and have a great day.